Minister Thangnaucham Shyamkumar unveiled first ever organic outlet of hill districts under Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at Senapati District headquarters. Unknown miscreant plant Chinese hand grenade at MPP President O. Jugindro's residence at Top Sifai under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West. People celebrate Lowingie, the biggest seed sowing festival of Naga community, with traditional fervor and gaiety, praying for abundant crops and well-being. And CBSE Class 10 and 12 board examinations begin today with over 18 lakh students appearing for Class 10 and over 12 lakh students appearing for Class 12. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Saturday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thangnaucham Shyamkumar unveiled the first ever organic outlet of the hill districts under the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at Senapati District headquarters today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyamkumar called upon people to support the government's initiative to transform Manipur into an organic state. Project Director of Manipur Organic Mission Agency, K. Devadatta Sharma, Divisional Forest Officer Senapati, John Sa, members of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council, church leaders and the locals attended the event. Minister Shyamkumar said Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department is opening up organic outlets at various places to promote organic crops which are healthy, unlike those crops cultivated using chemical fertilizers. He also said efforts will be made to coordinate all these organic outlets to ensure availability of region-exclusive organic products across the state.
Maybe Piron Yombum, Nana quick home the Esigum Banana Tamba, Sana Yum Berulactava, Sana Bisman, Yam Luna Tambase, Sinata Queen, Manung the Mapanda, Kongopton, the Esita Meva, Manung the Tingle Saga of Sang Pagada portion of Queen Nala Yoleva. I do so queen a sick and woman is less a lemon queen, Brazil, one is beliefs. Sana Porcudim, I'm hygiene winner, I'm Talutanana, Quickie, Posi Quina. I think I see Yoli Posi, me the South, me the Naga, me Swagadi, and Kaladu Wakal can see the Queen Labor Kale. I don't see Horticulture Department, Quickie. Mission Organic Project Director. Kanna Honadana, the Pamengi Honadana, Officer Honadana, the Magi, Subordinates Officer Staff Miam, the Kimam Honatori Miam, Quemiam, Lives, Karigan Hadan Sagi, Prazagi the Motani, I don't know. A Praza Yautra, but a Miwi Kunam later Ganda, Lamdamado, Apocash Lamdam Wiro Hedana, the Pandam the Canoto.
Speaking on the sidelines, MoMA Project Director K. Devadatta Sharma said the organic outlet will make available various organic fruits and vegetables as well as processed organic food items produced by around 1,500 organic farmers of the district. He said if the center's Mission Organic project continues, organic outlets will also be opened in Tamenglong, Ukhrul and Churachandpur districts under the initiative of the concerned minister within this year. He assured that the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department will take necessary roles to build a healthy society.
State the lady ba, a quite punamakso, Chang Panaba, Amadi, organic sea, hen Pamnava, Hibudo, Masi Oyaknava, Masi promote to Woina, a quite organic outlet Haidana, organic talk, Amadi, organic farmers in a Tazariba, naturally produce, chemical Yaugana Tariba, Polum Singer say, fresh product, Amadi processed product, Punamaxi, Masibu, Equina. Sigumba organic outlet natraga organic shop haiba sing sida puthoga prajamyam sing da phanghandra masa phaba kunai ama semnabagi adugumba vision amagi makhada aikoina hangdora iba Senapati ki district headquarter TNK sida hangiba sina manga suba organic outlet ni.
Unknown miscreants have planted a Chinese hand grenade at Manipur People's Party MPP President O. Jugindro's residence at Top Sifai under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West. Impact News sources said police personnel guarding the MPP President's house found the bomb at around 8:30 this morning. Police team led by Wangoi Police Station OC immediately rushed to the spot for inspection, and later State Bomb Squad recovered the bomb safely. Meanwhile, speaking to Impact News, MPP President Jugindro expressed suspicions that the bomb must have been planted by the self-proclaimed MPP new President L. Krishnadas in collusion with proscribed KCP People's War Group. He said the proscribed group has been threatening him in the last couple of days. He appealed to avoid involving proscribed outfits in the party's internal conflicts. Jugindro expressed apprehension that innocent civilians could have been hurt if the bomb exploded. It may be mentioned that MPP, which is the oldest regional party of Manipur, is shrouded with internal conflicts leading to 3 different subdivisions under the leadership of 3 different party presidents at present.
Hꯧzik laibidi ai lokthokna bugidamukta threaten tawba kihanba sigumba kaya lakpase masi yamna laibak thibani hina lawi ngasi mak bom leramibsi ai makhoi hen yaramgani habisi ai singnadaba ngamde matungda amhona political party singna tawjaba thabakta kariguma kanda sigumba unlawful oiba outfit oiba adugumba ornation kyana khut thingjanba aduga paisa extortion paisa khaiba aduga demand tawba sigumbasi tawbirakanu.
Volunteers of Kanglei Lamjing Development Club, Social Well Club and Topsify Thongkong Kaithel Mairapaibi carried out a protest demonstration against the planting of bomb at the MPP President Oinam Jugindro's house at Topsify Thongkong Laxmi Bazaar, Cosmo Bazaar ground today. Protesters strongly condemned the untoward conduct which created fear, psychosis and panic to people in the area. Taking part in the protest, Councillor of Thongkong Lakshmi Bazaar Municipal Council Ward Number 1, C.H. Renubala appealed to whoever concerned not to repeat such irresponsible act again. She appealed to let MPP resolve their internal conflicts among themselves.
Ngasi thoiba thokdoksi yamna nungaitaba yamna pendaba thokdokni matungda muk tawdanabasu akoina mayamda request tawjari karigumba aikhoigi leiriba mafamjida thambiramiba bomase school ahungi chaliba lambini yamna meru oiba mafam jagani masugumba ayamba adugumba pukchen pikpa asugumba bomasibu miyambu mangsinu haiduna thamamase masi akoi yam thina nungaite kamna dubu tawbiramiba misibu akoina condemn tawjai adu matungda amuk tawdanabagi so akoina haijari karigumba mathangda amuka tawtaragadi akoi civil society akoibu usittabani haiduna akoi moikogi mathakta akoi tawbum thokpa khongjang changchangani kogi pabungji tasengna magi mara lejaragaju civil society mayam leiri magi maransi karai bawne habchi pothokpa ngamdraga bom sugumba miyambu mangnaba bom thamambase masi ayamba mimni haina kone logjai.
Meanwhile, new office bearers of the Central Committee of Manipur People's Party, MPP, said the Central Committee unanimously removed Jugindro from the party presidential post for being egocentric. Speaking to media at one committee member's residence in Ghadi today, newly elected General Secretary Media, L.C. Deben, accused Jugindro of expending more than 5 crore rupees inappropriately during his 1.5 years tenure as a party president. He asked what Jugindro has done for the welfare of the public. Speaking to media, MPP General Secretary Administration H. Geeta Jain appealed to let the new office bearers of MPP work for the welfare of the people.
Jugindro Hairiva Nupasi is a very opportunist. Rajniti Tawagi Minga political leader and Masana Masabo Hajavani. Adu Madi political leaders nati. Ma premier gang leaders nima. Sigi Kudam Yamlay, Magi Teneruza, Magi role of politics Tawamatamda, Mana Tawasi, Lepak Mayangi, Yaifanabida Mutangasi Power Tabak Amu Paikal Kivilitary. Masia in a mabu, Javanate, respect am Togay, Tawadu Miam Young Bio, Kantavio. Karamba political partina, 1.5 years the crew Mangahi Loyevo. Masige outcome Jihuzik, Prajagi, Kungangi, Sergi, Haksangi, Helki, Lariki, Prajagi Karita Paikal MPP. MPP Nungshiba, Punamak, Lengsan Bureau, Tanasi, tawadabu asigumlaba masagi le khanba asugumba miyoisibu leader oina thamba chumibra haibse miyamna khanthabiyo
election ga mari ne na changiba account party da ngasi manga iba account khuding mak si mari ne document khuding mak engon de lejai afam ja form amada khanami ne jara kana madu open yeng nabi agani August September October November December January tha truki account je athung hundra meman tadre suguma mayam jingji clear oihallu gyan tahallu miyam da khangalu haina push tor bidamakta tanthokpi khodokpi magi mi jingje moren sasne tawbi suguma magi among ta da basima thamjaramge tungi Manipur magi damak tungi MPP magi damak ekoi thabak tawjarage aduna makhata na ngasi habu numisidagi laibiri ba yamba jugin donasu awai khum tawbiranu
o jugin
People held Lowingie celebration, the biggest seed sowing festival of the Naga community, praying for abundant crops and well-being today. Tangkhul Welfare Association Langol, along with Tangkhul Sanau Long and Tangkhul Katamnau Langol Long, held Lowingie celebrations at Tangkhul Baptist Church in Langol Housing Complex. The event was held on the theme Ngashang Mashiman Kawai. Speaking at the event, Deputy Speaker MPP Presidents stressed on the need to preserve ancestral culture and traditions for the upcoming generations. He said the festival seeks blessings for abundant agricultural produce and prosperity. He wished for the festival to herald in peace and prosperity among communities of the state. Speaking on the sidelines, member of ADC Ukrul Ayomi Mayar Ayungshi said the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks will foster peace and unity between hills and valley inhabitants of the state. President of MAPI Council and Bimol and council members took part in the event.
Mamaga mapasida machana mapam Arab laik tamnaga laga mapana madu to hinte adumaina marup pangsing da madu gumba chinthi aduga phataba wasi haiba to hite aduga imong amaga nungsinana bai khoi singdawbani aduga thabak si phachana nangi duty si pangthok dawbani haiba mayam se maja sing pa nang khangde ima nang khangde hojikti loina computer da leire mobile da yaure ai na kari pangthok dawbano karai phaw ai yog daw na si loina masit hai khre hai maduni yarabra haiba se ai na hojikti akhoi gi youngsters sing da ai question to ni madu khak na yate punsi se haiba indrabadi alaman khangdradi aduga nangi jati gi horpham nang khangdradi nang kadai chakani nangda min usillaroi.
Lowingie celebration, which began yesterday at Tangkhul Nagalong ground in Ukrul town, concluded today. State-level organizing committee under United Naga Council (UNC) organized a festival on the theme "Oneness Through Culture." Civil society organization and communities from across the hill and valley regions of the state are taking part in the festival. Cultural performance highlight the event. People are suffering due to deplorable condition of the road running in More town till Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2. Speaking to media at Meitei Council More office today, President of Meitei Council More, M. Thoiba, appealed to the government to repair the road before the onset of monsoon season, failing which he warned of intense hesitation by the people.
National Highway gi lambi thong amadi More town gi lambi thong gi phibam yam thina sokchil hanjil su ekoi kyamu haijakre hauji lairiba lambi sida ekoi thabak suba horamaga lepki baise kari gi no habise ekoi kangjadre maram aduna nongju tha yortringai da athuba matam da semjin biragadi ekoi punamaki yaifaba oigani aduna tadana thengta dana nongju tha matam yoralabadi changchinmam thokpa kongjang kaya amasu changchilakani habise contactor amadi thika dre singna munna khanbi
Renetta del United Manipur State Unit accorded a warm welcome to JDU MP Rampreet Mundell today. Rampreet Mundell is an Indian politician and a member of the parliament to the 17th Lok Sabha from Jhanjharpur Lok Sabha constituency in Bihar. He was a former businessman in Manipur. Speaking at the reception event held at GM Hall in Imphal, Rampreet Mundell assured of striving his best for the welfare of people in the state. He also assured to urge the Prime Minister to meet the needs of the state. JDU Manipur State Unit held its state-level annual meeting on the occasion.
भारत सरकार के कमेटी में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन का जो कमेटी है एनईसी जिसको बोलते हैं डेवलपमेंट के लिए, उसका भी मैं मेंबर बना हूं बिकॉज आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू डेवलप मणिपुर. दैट इज व्हाई आई बिकम ए मेंबर फॉर डेवलपमेंट मणिपुर. इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प फ्रॉम दिल्ली आई एम रेडी टू गिव यू हेल्प. अभी हम सोच रहे हैं नीड टू कंटेस्ट म्युनिसिपैलिटी पंचायत लेवल फ्रॉम आवर जदयू पार्टी. हमारा मणिपुर में आई ब्राउन इन बिहार बट माई वर्क प्लेस इज मणिपुर. आई लव मणिपुर. मई महीना में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को लाऊंगा मणिपुर में और मणिपुर भवन, बिहार भवन एंड मणिपुर भवन मैं यहाँ घोषणा करता हूँ कम्युनिटी हॉल बनाऊंगा. इसके लिए मैं फाइट करूंगा क्योंकि मैंने जिंदगी का शुरुआत अपना लाइफ आप लोगों के बीच से शुरू किया. भारत
Roadside Vendors Welfare Association in a press release said the association along with National Hawker Federation submitted a memorandum to Union Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs on February 7th against the ban imposed on street vending at Kwaramban Ima Market since January 16th. Mapari Ningsingkhol Lo Manil will commemorate the 11th death anniversary of a Dr. Thingnam Kishan, Yomnam Token and Adibam Rajan at Mapari Ningsingkhol in Uripok on February 17th. It may be recalled that Dr. T.H. Kishan, Y. Token and A. Rajan were brutally killed by NSC and IM cadres on February 17 of 2009. Speaking to media at Mapari Ningsingkhol today, Manil convener Y. Kapoor said this year's memorial event will be different from the previous years. He said that the panel discussion will be held as a part of the event where 3 panelists will speak on the topic Understanding the CSO movements in Manipur, Challenges and Prospects. He appealed to people and CSOs of the state to attend the event.
ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯪꯆꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯊꯧꯕ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ. ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯟꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯀꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯨꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Special Court of National Investigation Agency NIA has sentenced 2 miscreants arrested with fake Indian currency notes into 6-year jail term and a fine of 10,000 rupees. The miscreants are Nazir Sheikh and Tazil Sheikh from Malda district of West Bengal. A combined team of Bishwanagar Police Station, West Bengal and BSF arrested them on 31st March 2016 from Sukhdevpur under Vaishnavnagar Police Station at Indo-Bangladesh border, along with 10 lakh rupees of fake Indian currency notes. CBI today started investigation into the March 14, 1984 CRPF firing incident at Hairangoi-thong under Singjumai Police Station in Imphal West, which killed 14 civilians. It may be recalled that the CRPF personnel who were on patrolling duty started firing indiscriminately after they were attacked by some armed miscreants, killing 14 innocent civilians in the act. CBI started investigation from 11 a.m. and continued till 1 p.m. today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on CBSE Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations, which begins today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Saturday Primetime English News on Impact TV. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE Class 10 and 12 board exams have begun today. 18,89,000 students are appearing for the Class 10 exam, which will end on 20th March. For Class 12, more than 12 lakh students are appearing. It comes to end on 30th March. CBSE Secretary Anurag Tripathi and Chairman Anita Karwal have wished good luck to students and appealed not to get stressed. A day before the exams, the board chairperson has written a letter to parents with words of advice. Earlier this week, she wrote a motivational letter for students. Four children were burnt alive when a minivan of a private school carrying 12 students caught fire in Punjab's Sangur district today. Police said the accident took place on the Longowal-Sidamachar road. 8 children were safely taken out by people working in nearby fields. 4 children in the age group of 10 to 12 years were charred to death. The children were returning home from school. Commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Ahimsa Vishwa Bharati organized a national seminar on Mahatma Gandhi's inclusive approach to humanity at Raj Bhavan in Imphal today. Speaking at the event, Dr. Najma Haptullah said, Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people all over the world to stand against inequality and oppression. She expressed apprehension that Gandhi's vision of a united India is being greatly challenged at present. Chief Minister N. Biren also graced the event. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Biren said, Mahatma Gandhi's ideology for peace and ahimsa brings redemption to the world. Founder of Ahimsa Vishwa Bharati, Lokesh Muni, was among those present at the event. All India Youth Federation Bishnupur District Council held its annual district conference at OP Bhavan in Bishnupur today. Attendees discussed on the youth for social change at the event. The federation in a press release has urged the authorities concerned to grant youths the rights they deserved. Renowned theatre personality Dr. Ratan Thiam has lamented that the unique culture and traditions of the state are dying due to lack of proper nurturance. He was speaking at the valedictory function of a 20th Roop Mahal Artist Memorial Drama Festival 2019 at Roop Mahal Theatre, Imphal today. Winners of the festival were felicitated at the event. The festival was held on the occasion of Roop Mahal Theatre's Platinum Jubilee celebrations. Ratan Thiam lauded Roop Mahal Theatre for all its initiatives for preserving the state's unique art and culture. Ratan Thiam and Chairman of Roop Mahal Theatre, K. Hiramani, presented 10 different awards to 20 artists, including winners of Best Play, Best Actor, Best Actress and Best Director titles of the Drama Festival. Critics Forum Manipur held the second Critics Forum Annual Lecture 2020 program at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall in Imphal today. The event aimed to raise public awareness on the initiatives and ideologies of Manipur's renowned theatre personalities. President of Aryan Theatre, Dr. Arambam Lokendra, stressed on Towards an Ethno-Philosophy of Manipuri Performance, My Life and Times in Theatre at the event. A theatre film named Untitled, dedicated to Irom Chanu Sharmila, was showcased on the occasion. Sargam held the 4th Ningtham Ishay program on the theme Mahoksha Kansi at Indian Medical Association IMA Hall in Lumpur today. Speaking on the occasion, Sargam President M. Dhananjoy said the annual event aimed to bring relief and relaxation to music enthusiasts across the state. He declared that the financial contribution received at the event will be donated to all 8 homes or destitute children. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy graced the event.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯠꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯍꯣꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯡꯊꯛ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯏꯁꯩꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯐ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥ ꯀꯟꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ.
A book named Rajen's Rising Sun was released today. The book was translated into English from a Manipuri poetry titled Rajengi Chai Ngakriba Machanupa. Manipur State Parishad Wangjing organized the event at the hall of Wangjing Royal Academy of Science. Renetta's Wellness Manipur team organized a seminar cum workshop on Renetta's Nova, a product of Renetta's Wellness LLC USA and Renetta's Wellness Private Limited India at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Renetta's business expert Abdul Rahim stressed on the health benefits of Renetta's Nova products at the event. Vipay's Students Association Imphal District held its Silver Jubilee celebration at Langol in Imphal West today. DGP Manipur LM Kaute, Additional Principal Chief Conservator Lamsay Baite, Social Worker Leming Thang, President of Vipay Students Association Headquarter SN John, and many eminent persons attended the event. Various cultural programs were showcased on the occasion. Speaking at the event, DGP Manipur LM Kaute claimed that there are many proficient individuals in the Vipay community. He urged the youths to give a due emphasis in education to be successful in life. Loktak Fisheries Welfare Association of Manipur has condemned the removal of Mundell from the Loktak Lake by Loktak Development Authority since January. The association in a press release also said that it has submitted a written complaint about the same to the Chief Minister and to the Chairman and Director of LDA. Wankai MLA Okram Henry, under the aegis of Manareda, installed 35 solar street lightnings from Kurai Lamlong till Minuthong in Wankai constituency today. Union of Social Upliftment, a conglomerate of 25 local clubs of Kurai, organized the event. Manareda allotted 100 solar street lightning sets to 60 MLAs of Manipur. MLA O. Henry installed the 35 solar lamps from his share. Speaking on the occasion, MLA O. Henry hoped that late-night commuters along the road will not face any more inconveniences. Locals and volunteers of Hairok Part 1 Maning Laika Youth Club, MYC Club, extended help to TN Memorial Academy in Hairok Part 3 Champrathong Makong today. It may be recalled that the school and its boarding home were gutted down by fire on February 11th. Chief Advisor of MYC Club, KH Ibomcha, and residents of Hairok Part 1 Maning Laikai jointly extended financial aids of 44,640 rupees, 13 rice bags, 1 iron godrej, and clothes to founder of a TN Memorial Academy, Taurangam Gyaneshwar, alias Inau, on the occasion. Center for Research and Advocacy, CRA Manipur, in a press release appealed to Loktak Development Authority and the Forest Department to withdraw their decision of declaring Phumlen Part a conservation area to convert into a second Sangai home as it will affect people of the area. CRA further appealed to decommission the 105 megawatt Loktak project, the Ithai Barrage. Now the sports news. All Manipur Polo Association AMPA today felicitated women polo players of Manipur who participated in the 5th Manipur Statehood Day Women's International Polo Tournament. United States Polo Association, Great Britain Polo Association, Argentina Polo Team, Egypt Polo Team, Indian Polo Association and Manipur Polo Team played in the polo tournament held at Imphal Polo Ground from January 17 until 21st. AMPA members presented gifts to polo players KH Devanti, KH Habe, TH Tana, S. Sangita, L. Thadoy and I. Sangita and team coach L. Tolen Komba at the felicitation ceremony held at Iroisemba. Speaking on the occasion, AMPA President Dr. K. Sarachandra called for cooperation in producing efficient polo players to promote the indigenous game to the world. AMPA Vice President Fulchan Sarma, Secretary N. Phillips, Treasurer K.H. Suni Kumar and other eminent members of the association attended the event.
Organization of the polo watanati karim kanda mase migi opinion tongan misunderstanding mase si adum lay adubu polo dadi mase karim kanda di am sauna laibutu su toba aduga karim kanda thangnaba mikuptana kaimta leitadona dum toba masara mu oi maramdi koina wamin nagi ba haina gi ba mayam do koi mai pa na bani lamdam sigi masara kan gaduni phanabu honagadamni haibu wapalon sida mai gi mod kaji khina bai duna amani matam gi matungina yenaba ground da khanaba ground khanaba tok trai koi office sanga ga picha toba masi ga yam thengna grabja adu matam du da khanaba yenaba mayam dai grabju mathang de loi sala kan de hektan punna lakminaba nuksinaba punna thamuk tominaba gi che masi adom ujerbo masi ba.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Thaunakcham Shyam Kumar unveils first ever organic outlet of hill districts under Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at Senapati District Headquarters. Unknown miscreant plant Chinese hand grenade at MPP President O. Jugindro's residence at Top Sipai under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West. People celebrate Lowingie, the biggest seed sowing festival of Naga community with traditional fervor and gaiety, praying for abundant crops and well-being. And CBSE Class 10 and 12 board examinations begin today with over 18 lakh students appearing for Class 10 and over 12 lakh students appearing for Class 12.